Can a Bible verse become a viral song? Today I will show you how I turn a single verse into a full gospel music video using nothing but free AI tools. So we're going to start here on ChatGPT. We're going to need to put a prompt, and then it goes by create a gospel song based on a Bible verse about the feeling of delay and spiritual exhaustion. When you've been faithful, praying, struggling, and waiting for God to release your gifts or calling, you are emotionally tired but still holding on to hope, trusting that God's timing is perfect. The song should reflect deep emotions like frustration, longing, and surrender, while ending with peace, patience, and a powerful declaration of faith. It should include a message about how God never forgets and His appointed time He will answer and elevate you. This is the prompt that I use to generate this song. This is the song. So what you need to do now is to come here and then you copy the song. So let's just come here and then we copy the song. We can just copy it like this, and then we're gonna use the website or the AI called Refusion AI. All you need to do is to put the lyrics here so that you can generate the music. Then you're gonna scroll down to the sound. So here you need to put the sound that you need for your song. So I've just wrote gospel, soul, and spiritual. So you can just write whatever that you think is going to be right for the song. So and then you come here to details. This is the name of the song, and then you come here to generate, and then here are the songs that I've generated before. We can just go through and listen to them.
I've walked through the valley with tears in my eyes, whispers in silence, just asking you why. Doors that were closing, dreams that feel denied, but deep in my soul I know you're still by my side. It's hard in the waiting, the struggle is real, but faith is the anchor I hold when I kneel. I've cried, I've prayed, I've waited in the night, but still I sing, Lord, I know you're always right.
Oh, that's so beautiful. That is so beautiful and spiritual. So and then we can just go and listen to another one. We've got 4 songs.
I've walked through the valley.
So you can just choose the one that you want, and then I have to just for the sake of this video, I don't want to waste time, so this is the one that I've just chosen. This is the best out of 4, so I'm gonna come here to download it on MP3, and then download it to, it's gonna go to my computer. So what's next now is to generate the images. So what we're gonna do is just to go back to ChatGPT, and then we ask ChatGPT to help us with the prompt in order for us to generate the images that will go exactly with the song. All right. Okay, so this is the next process, of which we come in here to the Flex Clip to generate the images. So all you need to do is to put your prompt right here, and then you come here to choose the style. You choose the style of your choice. There are lots of styles that you can choose from, so I'm gonna just leave it on none, and then come here to choose the model. So you can just leave it on fast or on pro, so it's up to you. And then here is the ratio that you need to choose, and then I'm gonna go with 16.9 since this is gonna be for YouTube video. And then the image count, I only need 2 images, I don't need more than that. So all you need to do is to hit generate. So these are the images that I got from Flex Clip. I don't need to generate right now since I think it's just gonna be the waste of the token, so I'm gonna just leave it right there. And then the images, I've got the first one. These are the first images. This is so cute and beautiful, and then you can just decide of which one you prefer. Come here to download, you click on this arrow that is facing down, and then the image will be right in your computer. Okay, so now the next process is to come here to Canva, and then we're gonna need to bring the song into the canvas. So I'm gonna just come here to upload, and then you need to come here to upload the sound that we generated from the Refusion. So I'm gonna just come here to audio since I've already uploaded the song. So I'm gonna just bring it here. All you need to do is to bring this page here. You just need to extend the page until where the song will end. What I need to do from here, I'm gonna cut the song here. From here on 20 seconds, I'm gonna just click. I'm just gonna do like this. Split the page, and then also I split the audio. Split the audio. So what's gonna happen now? You come here to share. So we're only gonna share the first page. Share. And then we come here to download, and then you come here to the pages. So I'm gonna just click on here, and then just I just remove the selection of all, and then I select at least one page. So I'm gonna select the first page. Okay, so this is the size of the song that we need. It has to be 20 seconds or less, not more than that, because the system that we're going to use is not gonna allow us to go beyond 20 seconds. So I'm gonna come here, done, and then click download. Okay, so I come here again. For the second one, I do the same. I make sure that this black thing, this black mark, it comes right here like that. So I'm gonna name this, I'm gonna say it's the first clip, just to make sure that I put them accordingly. Is naming them is the best. All right, so I'm gonna come here right here, and then I'm gonna split the page, and then also on this audio, I'm gonna make sure that I split the audio. So I'm gonna repeat the process by coming here to share, and then download, and then come here to select the page, deselect the selected pages, and then I will just click on page 2. The page 2 is the one that I need. So I'm gonna click done, and then download. So as you can see now, I've comes to another part. This is this part 3. So this is the part 3. Then I come here again, and then do the same. So this is the process that you need to make sure that you follow until you are done. Okay, so we're gonna come here to this website. It's called Cloud Convert. Okay, on this website, all we're going to do is to convert the MP4 into MP3. So we're gonna come here to, we need to make some selection here, and then we come to audio, and then click on MP3. Okay, so we come here to convert. So it's not gonna take long. Within the space of time, you're gonna get your results. Okay, so
shine in your time, so I hold on till I.
Okay, that's so perfect. All you need to do is to download. So now we're gonna be going to Hedra AI. So we are in Hedra AI. Hedra AI is going to turn our images into videos, bringing them to life. So all you need to do, you come here to start a frame. So we're gonna upload the video, the image. We're gonna choose this one, and then we come here to audio, and then we'll select the one that we just created from Cloud Convert. So we're gonna click on convert, and then this is the right size. This is the space where you need to make sure that you put the prompt, so that you command the AI on what to do. So I'm gonna put it right here, and then I'm gonna click on this arrow. Let's just take a look on the results. Let's just click on
struggle is real, but faith is the anchor I hold when I kneel.
beautiful. So you come here to this arrow that is facing down. This is where you need to download your video. So let's just click on that so that the video will be in our computer. All right, we're gonna need to go back to Canva. You're gonna need to open another YouTube videos site, and then you come here to upload, and you need to upload your files into Canva, and then you're gonna put them accordingly. So this is not gonna be a difficult process. You just put them accordingly. You know where the song starts and then where it ends, so you can just arrange them accordingly. So I am afraid we came to the end of our tutorials, and I'd like to say thank you to everyone who make it possible for me to reach 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Thank you. So to those who haven't yet subscribed to my channel, just do the right thing and like, subscribe, and share this video, and then I will see you in the next video. Enjoy the song.
I've walked through the valley with tears in my eyes, whispers in silence, just asking you why. Doors that were closing, dreams that feel denied, but deep in my soul I know you're still by my side. It's hard in the waiting, the struggle is real, but faith is the anchor I hold when I kneel. I've cried, I've prayed, I've waited in the night, but still I sing, Lord, I know you're always right. My gifts will shine in your time, so I'll hold on till I rise and climb. You've never failed me, and I believe what you've begun you will complete. So I'll trust you, yes, I'll trust you in your time.